Come along, come along. Let's explore and sing our song.
Wow.
Our adventure begins. One, two, three. Count with me. 4, 5, 6 can be 10. Bounce, bounce, little moon. Bounce with me. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Let me quickly put you through on how to make these AI videos. These videos are really trending now and people are cashing out. Channels like Coco Melon, of course, cannot be compared when it comes to kids educational content. I know you too can make your own kids educational content without a blink of eye. Now, all you need is just ChatGPT and your Google Flow AI. Let's go right into it.
So first thing to do is to get your ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT is an search engine or is an AI tool that helps you to write, create, and get your script ready. Open ChatGPT and paste this prompt as seen. This prompt will be posted in the description box of the comment section. If you are seeing this on Facebook, do well to check it out, okay? It will be well detailed, so don't forget to do that. Now, once that is being pasted on ChatGPT, next thing is for ChatGPT to create whatever you need according to the prompt. That is why you need a good prompt to do this. And then go ahead and copy the prompt. If the information ChatGPT has given to you is all you need, of course, it gives the right thing. Choose from the topics given to you, and if that topic is not okay by you, do well to edit it, okay? Once you choose this one that is very okay by you, go ahead and copy. See, I edited the prompt again, that is why it's taking a bit longer. This prompt is automatic, like I'm giving it another prompt to say, from this prompt, from the descriptions you've given me above, give me a full video, give me a full script containing this and that, just as you can see on the screen. This is very detailed and this is what we have. ChatGPT has given me all I need to generate this video, from the camera angle to the script, to the voiceover script, down to the cinematic movement and how this should move. You don't need to, overthink. You don't need to worry. All you need to do is to give it the right prompt. Of course, where you need to be perfect is in your prompt. Sometimes just give it what you need and it will also give you all of that. Next thing is to copy that which it has given you after you've given it the instruction. Head over to Google Flow AI. Open your Chrome browser. Type in Google Flow. Sign up if you are using the account for the first time. Go ahead and choose the email you used to sign up and then do so. You will see this arrow key, new project. Go ahead and tap the new project. Once it opens, you see something like this. From here, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, which it will show you as scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 till the end of this video. Now, once you are done copying the instructions given to you by ChatGPT, here you can see it's very, very detailed. Go ahead and paste it in the Flow AI interface, just like this. You can do this using your phone or your laptop. So even if you don't have a laptop, feel free to do your videos. People create videos and they make a lot of money using just their phone. So with this, see, this is very important. If you're posting for YouTube long form, you will see this arrow key by the right down side. You will choose whether you want it on 16.9 aspect ratio or the 9.16 aspect ratio. Is very, very important. Also, click I like to use Omni Flash. That Omni uses a little credit from your total credit for the day. Of course, Flow gives 50 free credit for every day. What is credit? Credit is what you need to access your Flow AI, okay? So if you don't have this Flow AI credit, you might not be able to generate a video using Flow AI. And now that Grok is expensive, Flow is the alternative. This is what it has generated for us using the information we inputted.
Why is the moon coming down?
With this you can create a full video of maybe 8-10 minutes. The next thing is to click on the arrow button up and choose download. You can download at 720p or 1080p depending on the version you are using. If you're on the pro version, you can download on 720 or the 1080 pixel. Okay, then export to your CapCut or just save in your gallery. Just like that, you have created an AI video using just a prompt on ChatGPT. Then go back and copy the next scene, which is scene 2. Copy it and bring to your Google Flow AI, just like that. Now that you've copied the prompt, go back to Flow AI and paste the information copied from ChatGPT. Remember to choose the aspect ratio and number of video you want to create. And also remember that Flow gives you 50 credits every day if you are on the free version. But if not, go ahead and maximize your credits. The next step is also what I do here is, while the other one is creating, I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the next one, so I don't have to waste time or spend so much time creating this video. Now I'm trying to do another video, a different type that is different from the baby standing up and all of that. Let me show you the typical way you can generate this baby picture talking AI, or let's say ABC videos. It's also very simple. Now I'll drop the prompt also in the description box, so you can use this information to generate your videos from 0 to 10 minutes video, long form video, even your short form or whichever form of video you can generate and post across all social medias. This is what ChatGPT has given to us based on the second prompt I gave to it. Remember, now the next thing is to copy it according to each scene by scene. When you are copying, do well to copy all the characters attached to the scene. Okay, here I say give me one prompt, that is why I have to copy everything it has generated, and then head back to our Flow AI. You can see this is still generating, and the delay is because of network. This is the second video, is ready.
Why is the moon coming down?
Just like we did the first time, go ahead and tap the arrow.
Why is the moon coming
Click
down?
save to your device. It will appear on your gallery or your file depending on your phone. You can also import it into CapCut straight, just like this. Now that both clips are on CapCut, this is the app where you edit. If you don't have CapCut, you can also use InShot, but for me CapCut is the best because it gives me access to a lot of effects free of charge. Now that our video is ready, the next thing is to go back and copy the last prompt. Do you understand? And then download the next one. Just like that, you have to be doing this over and over, copy and paste, because ChatGPT will give you all the necessary prompts you need from start to the end. Now I just pasted the third prompt ChatGPT gave me to use for my video creation. Now let's wait for it. If you have watched up to this time, please do well to subscribe to my channel, drop your comments and like this video. This is what we have. It's so easy and anyone can do this.
Bounce, bounce, little moon. Bounce with me. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
You can believe with me that this is so easy to generate. Life has become so simple and anyone can now be a content creator without spending so much. If you're interested, just like we did before, go ahead and save this video into your gallery or file, depending on the kind of video you are, the kind of phone you are using. Now I can import my own straight to CapCut and finish up with my video curation. Just assembling all of them together and we are good to go. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow, like and share this video so more people could see how to create this video. It's so simple. Okay,
If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the button, subscribe and share so many people will see how to make these AI videos.